Hi chaps, John here at Microaces and welcome to the workshop once again. I just wanted to have a quick word about our new generation Microaces kits that we are currently working on. You can see here's the Hawker Hurricane. And literally just wanted to show you something that is quite amazing for the two products, the two main components of the aircraft itself, which is the 2mm foam that we use to make the internal structure, the airframe, if you like. That actually laser cuts quite nicely, so you can produce these lovely parts. And also the Tyvek material as well, which is a sort of a plastic paper which is very lightweight and once again takes a print and can be laser cut too, so you can produce all the components like that. And what happens when you bring these two parts together? You know the phrase, it's more than the sum of its parts. Well, that's kind of what happens when you bring these two materials together. Let me just show you. I've got a wing here that was used for mocking up and making up the skins, and I've opened it up so that you can actually see inside here. You've got your ribs and your spars, and you can see on the couple of those spars you've actually got some material, and that is actually Tyvek. And that is wrapped on three sides of the spar, and that creates an enormously tough, rigid structure that obviously provides a lot of strength to the wing. So we don't have to put any spars in, or carbon fibre, I should say. And in fact, wrapping it in Tyvek weighs less than actually putting in a carbon fibre spar. So, and it means we can disperse it as well between 2, 3, or whatever, however many spars we want. We've also, excuse me, we've got a doubling up on the leading edge of the wing too, which adds an enormous amount of strength. So that, once again, that can be slammed around all over the place. You can even, I've even tested it on harder edges, and as you can see, that's okay. So it puts a few little dents in, but the structure is still very sound. So so that's really what I wanted to show you, was how the Tyvek and the foam coming together can produce an extraordinarily strong aircraft. I mean, here we've got the another preliminary test fit prototype part, and this is the fuselage. And I mean, it's not the sort of thing that you could do with say a balsa wood aircraft, or you know, something made of anything but the foam and Tyvek. So I think it's quite extraordinary. If you want to if you want to support us on our endeavour bringing these new generation kits to market, then we have the ability for you to purchase project vouchers, which will really help us, and you can use those project vouchers once the aircraft become available to purchase your own kit. We've also got a GoFundMe as well. If you are feeling enormously generous and you would just like to get these aircraft out there and help us do that, then you can contribute to our GoFundMe as well. But of course, the other way that you can do it is just by buying some of our kits. And anything that you buy now, the funds that are provided through your purchase will go on to help us in our development this summer for these kits. So this autumn and coming winter, we will have some fantastic projects for you to start building. Well, there we go. That was what I wanted to show you. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you later. Cheerio.